Recently, Hugging Face released the new version of DeepSite. This is an AI model that allows you to create high-quality, amazing websites using AI. They have redesigned the whole website, and it also allows smart code editing. So let's see a small trailer for it, and then we are going to test it out by creating some websites. So new DeepSeek model that has reasoning. Okay, so they integrated DeepSeek R1 in the tool, and wow, it was able to create some very amazing looking website. This is crazy, and you could see it, how it looks on mobile, on browser, and this looks interesting. So this is DeepSite, and that's how it looks like. So here you have the chat message, here you can see the code, you can view a preview of the website, and that looks super interesting. You can also see a mobile view of the website all natively inside. You can select the model you want to use, and there is also KimiK2 Instruct, which is pretty crazy. Okay, so that's very interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out. Per usual, we will be creating the Transformer teaching webpage for a start. But before we move on, I really want to let you know that if you want to learn how to use AI tools, I have a very cheap course for you down below in the description. There, I teach you in over 20 hours of tutorials how to use all of the latest AI tools to make more money than ever. So if you want something cheap to get started with AI, I think this is the best offer in the market. So this is my high quality prompt about creating a web page for teaching Transformer, models. So I'm going to give it this prompt, and I'm going to select DeepSeek R1 latest version. So let's go ahead and generate the website, and when you do that, it will say that you have to log in. So you have to create a Hugging Face account, authorize access, logging is in progress, paste the request again, select the model you want, and let's see what the response will be. And if possible, I will try using the KimiK2 model as well. I have made a video about KimiK2 like yesterday, so if you have not tested it out, checked it out, go ahead and see it, because KimiK2 is one of the best, if not the best, open source non-thinking model out there right now. And we can see that the inference is super fast. We can see the model is doing a super fast job. So that's pretty interesting. This is pretty amazing. Oh my God. You can see the website getting built on live action, and already it seems so nice. I think this could potentially be better than Bolt and Lovable, these OG website creators and mobile application creators. Well, it looks very nice already. This is pretty great. So we will jump to the conclusion because I don't want to waste any more of your time. So the response is in, and this is the website. We can see here that we don't see the main text. It's actually empty. The on-off mode here is not working. Practical use cases don't work. And this is the mobile view. I'm not very happy with the result, to be honest. Not even the frequently asked questions work. So this is a little bit underwhelming. You can also click to edit specific elements like the heading or whatever you want, or you can just go ahead and redesign the website by entering a URL. So I'm really disappointed in this. You can also invite friends to join the platform. So I'm just going ahead and use a new project where we're going to ask it pretty much the same thing, but we're going to use KimiK2 Instruct. So hopefully this model will do better. Hopefully this is the experience as it's supposed to be. And already the response seems a lot better. The model KimiK2 is super fast. This is insane. It's writing so many lines all together. Wow, this was super fast and incredible. And we can see animations here, and it's really nice. I gotta say, KimiK2 is doing an amazing job on this DeepsiteV2 version. Really awesome, really love it. And the white mode and dark mode is also working. Response is amazing. This is a great website, in my opinion at least. So I'm going to go ahead and open up again a new project, and we're going to test out the simple DeepsiteV3. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's see, can the simple DeepSeek model without reasoning and thinking do better? That would be amazing. But in all honesty, this is just another tool. I gotta say it's not better than Lovable in my opinion. I would actually say that right now it's not even better than Gemini 2.5 Pro. Even though this is a very niche model that is here to create websites. I think it's not that great in my opinion. I also have tested out this prompt on the version 1 and I think the response was a lot better. If you go on to my YouTube channel, where you watch this video right now, make sure to subscribe, you can actually see the version 1 of DeepSite with the old models and how it performed. I think it performed better. So that was a little bit disappointing, to be completely honest with you. Again, we use free API, free version, so it makes sense that the model is limited or heavily quantized to be very cheap for inference, so it doesn't cost a lot of money. But I expected something better. At least from DeepSeek R1, I expected something better. So DeepsiteV2 right now is already doing a very good job. It seems like maybe this is what we want to be using to create websites. Maybe Kimi2, maybe DeepsiteV2, who knows? But it seems that reasoning models in some cases are very good, but in other cases are very, very bad. And what I have seen is that in many cases, reasoning models are not outperforming base models for website UI creation. So let's see what the response will be. I'm really excited to see. This seems already a lot better than before. This actually seems like a proper answer. And for me, in my opinion, what I understand is that this application was optimized and created around DeepSeek version 3 and not the reasoning or the Kimi-K2. But I see a lot of potential. I see a lot of potential in it, so it's good to know that this exists out there and we could potentially use it in the future when it gets better and improved. Again, this is hosted by DeepSite, which is part of Hugging Face. And there's also this kind of gallery where you can see like other creations from people using this model. If I'm not mistaken, oh yes, that's exactly what you can do. So probably we can see loads of websites that are deployed out there. So let's give a check to what other people have created. So, okay, this is a website, a very simple one. So it's about smart real estate. This one is no longer available. And this is a neon trading website. So you can buy, sell crypto. This looks nice. I really like this UI. Looks interesting. Loads of things here. And we cannot scroll down. So that's fine. So let's see what our response will be. Let's see what the result will be. And I will try another prompt. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. But let's jump to the conclusion. Okay, so we finally have the response after 10 minutes of inference, like for real. So let's see, this website looks pretty amazing. I think this is the best response up till now from the AI models that are used here. I also gotta say, in my opinion, this is actually one of the best responses I have seen across all models. This feels very, very close to Gemini 2.5 Pro in terms of quality. The website is full, it's amazing, it has a scroll up button. It doesn't have that many animations, which is something that is happening on, the Kimi-K2 version, but it looks nice. I think it looks very, very nice. And it works also on mobile. So I would say that this is a very nice response. Actually, this works and it's pretty great. So I will try one more thing. I will try and create a Flappy Bird game. So let's give this a try. Let's give this a check and hopefully DeepsiteV2 is going to be able to create this endless Flappy Bird game. If it can do it, it would be absolutely amazing. So because DeepsiteV3 is kind of slow right now, it's not very, very fast. So I'm just going to tell you that, we will jump to the conclusion. Okay, so the game is ready. It's like 500 lines of code. We click the button to start the game and it's not allowing us to do it. Let's try this version here. It doesn't allow us to play the game for some kind of reason. So, I might go ahead and go on live with to test out if we can run this game. Hopefully we will be able to do so, hopefully. But yeah, no big expectations here. This is not the job of this AI model. So let's go ahead and try and play this game. So yeah, start game is not working and I cannot test out the game. But at least I see a nice menu that at least looks good. But yeah, we cannot play the game right now. That's the truth. Okay, so I'm also trying with a local HTML file, but still I cannot play the game. That's totally fine. Hopefully you found this video interesting. DeepSite with DeepSeekV3 can create actually a very good website for you. Make sure to check it out and tell me your opinion. Bye.